If you're in search of a combination of the benefits of both the hardtop and soft top for your 2021 or newer Ford Bronco with a factory hardtop, this Bestop Skyrider retractable top in black diamond will be for you. I do want to mention that this will exclude the Raptor models and fitment, so just keep that in mind when checking this out. Nonetheless, this will be a fantastic choice for the Bronco owner who wants the freedom that the soft top allows, but is a fan of the hardtop for the structured appearance it offers and doesn't want the hassle of removing the big and bulky back portion of the top that is difficult to store and difficult to take off. Now this will allow you to very easily open up the front by just popping it open compared to removing factory panels, which is going to allow you to reap the benefits of an open air experience with the back portion of the hardtop still installed. This particular option will also take it a step further than other choices in the category, exposing both the front and rear seats for a freer feel in your Bronco. Now this system here is going to completely replace the front and center panels of your hardtop with a soft top and be more than the average bikini or mesh top, considering that this is going to be weatherproof and stay there 24/7. Now this will seal to the windshield and around the sides with the door surrounds and supporting brackets, as well as this header here, and is going to have factory located latches that are very easy to use in the front for a tight fit. However, when the weather is permitting and you want to have a more open feel with the gas assist side bow mechanism, this will be very easy to open up and lay on the front of your hardtop. It's going to fold very neatly because of the bow system that will be installed, and it's going to expose the front and rear seats for that free and open air feel in your Bronco. Now, one of the best parts is the ability to close it in the event of bad weather, unlike a hardtop panel, which you most likely won't have with you, so you're going to have to tough it out in the rain, and popping them back on quickly will be a hassle in the rain, but with this system, all you have to do is pull it closed and latch it down. Now this will consist of a number of different materials. This will have a steel bow system that is powder coated, so that's going to hold up very well and provide a lot of good structure for not only the vinyl, but to have the ability to fold it back very easily and to keep it folded very neatly. Now I do like the fact that this also comes with a kind of hardtop seal in the back that matches the factory hardtop. It kind of creates a seamless transition between the vinyl and the hardtop material. This is going to be made of a heavy duty plastic with a nice textured finish on it, and it's going to mold to the sides. Now the header as well as the door surrounds are also going to be made of that tough plastic material, so they are going to hold up. They're not going to rust if they are exposed to the elements over time. Now the star of the show is the fabric, and this is a black diamond vinyl material, very similar to the factory soft top if you've ever seen it. So it is completely weatherproof. It's going to hold up to harsh weather and keep this appearance over time, especially when well taken care of. And it's also going to be a little bit thicker weight compared to a sailcloth, so you are going to get some better insulation and sound dampening with a black diamond than you would with a thinner material. This will be a pricey option, but well worth it if you want the best of both worlds. 4 tops coming in at around $1,700. Now this is a very unique option in the fact that not only is it going to allow you the flexibility of a soft top in the front with a more refined appearance of a hard top in the back, but it's giving you a bit more than other choices that may only open up the front seats instead of both rows. Now also, it isn't like a bikini top or a more minimal solution to open air. It's literally going to replace the 2 panels in the front and allow you to keep this on 24/7 without having to worry about it, making it a great pick in my opinion. Install will be a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, just because it is a bit lengthy and a little bit more technical with the install compared to pre-assembled options, and it should take you about 2 hours all said and done with some basic hand tools. Now the install is fairly similar to a soft top install, where you will have to install the door surrounds to house the bow system, which needs to be assembled on car, and then all you have to do is attach the fabric there after that. Now Bestop does do a fantastic fantastic job at providing detailed and informative instructions in the box, and if you have any questions, feel free to give our techs a call. So that is going to wrap it up for my review of the Bestop Skyrider retractable top in Black Diamond, fitting all 2021 and newer four-door Ford Broncos, excluding the Raptor models, and you can find this right here at extremeterrain.com.